Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make this very simple, beautiful soup. We've got carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic. We've got smoked paprika and lots of parsley in there. It really, really is delicious. By the way, lots of lentils. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at this dal first. So on the left-hand side in the big bowl, I've got 4 cups of cooked yellow tur dal. You can see it. Here's a little example of it dried. So what I've done with that is first of all wash it through a couple of times, get any little bits of stones out or grit. Then I soaked it for like 1 hour. Then I boiled it for about 20 minutes. So that's what you're going to end up with. But yeah, that's the stuff. So there's absolutely nothing to this soup. It's very, very simple. So you saw the dal already cooked. We've roughly got equal parts of potatoes and carrots. If you want, get some celery or other vegetables in there. Here I've got smoked paprika, really delicious. Going to be a big flavor in here. 3 teaspoons. 2 cups of onions, about 1.5 cups of parsley, which I've cut really small. You could use cilantro if you wanted. 2 tablespoons of garlic. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a large pot or something like that. In there, I'm using olive oil. I've got about 4 tablespoons of that. The heat's on, above medium. In goes the onion, the potatoes, which I've peeled, the carrots, and then I'm going to go salt and pepper. We're going to add the garlic. And we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Just giving them a little head start. Let's drop in the cooked lentils. Let's put in all of that parsley or coriander, up to you. Then we're going to go smoked paprika. Now with paprika, be careful because my one's actually smoked, of course, but also quite hot. You can get hot or sweet paprika. You can choose which one you want to get. We're going to go for another 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving now. Now very simply, we're going to add water, or if you want, you could add stock. I've got there about 1.5 litres or so. Need to sort of cover it. We might be adding more water. We'll see once we liquidize this. And again, you can adjust the consistency of this. You can have it quite thin or quite thick. We're going to let that go now for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so you need to be cooking this until it's, you know, your vegetables are like baby food, you know, nice and soft. What we're going to do now is we're going to liquidize it. I've got one of those things that go inside and does it. So I'll spare you the noise of that. It's fairly noisy. I'm just going to liquidize that up. And then we'll look at the consistency. At that point, you can make it, you know, a bit thinner if you want. There you go. That was just, I've done that for like 2 or 3 minutes. That's a great consistency for me. I quite like it like that. So what we're going to do is just check it for salt. Job done. And that's it. Really, really simple and really, really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. So thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you.